India became sovereign democratic republic on 26 January 1950, 26 January 1951, 26 January 1948 or 26 January 1949, and the correct answer is 26 January 1950. Battle of Haldighati, in which Akbar defeated Rana Pratap, took place in the year 1576 AD, 1575 AD, 1657 AD or 1557 AD, and the correct answer is 1576 AD. Pushyabhuti dynasty ruled over Patliputra, Thaneshwar, Ujjain or Saka, and the correct answer is Thaneshwar. The first president of United States of America was Abraham Lincoln, George Washington, James A. Garfield, or none of this, and the correct answer is George Washington. Jawaharlal Nehru died in the year 1964, 1960, 1950 or 1962, and the correct answer is 1964. Thaneshwar was the capital of Harshavardhan, Chandragupta Maurya, Ashok, or none of this, and the correct answer is Harshavardhan. Hieun-Tsang, a Chinese traveler, came Nalanda, which was then a religious center, university, hospital, or art gallery, and the correct answer is university. The first battle of Tarain was fought between Akbar and Sher Shah, Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan, Alexander and Boris, or Babur and Ibrahim Modi, and the correct answer is Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan. Russian Revolution took place in 1970, 1960, 1950 or 1914, and the correct answer is 1917. Watch our other videos. Support us, like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.